Welcome to the world of Nakagaki, where math is law. This simple land consists of the villages, the ominous square root forest, and is at war with the evil and barbaric Mount Vernon, home to the twisted Vernians. The land was made by the great and all-knowing Nakagaki, who conquered the dreaded years of insomnia, known to mortals as college, to claim his land. Nakagaki is ruled by Justin, King of the Britons. The most sacred thing of all of Nakagaki are the hollowed roots of Nak, stored deep inside the king's home, Kola Park. This is where our story begins.
Oh my goodness!
Sir, we can't seem to find the roots.
The roots are missing? How did this happen?
The Vernians have stolen them, sir.
I will not stand for this. We need a hero. A math hero. Fetch me one who is worthy, my noble man. Take my steed on your quest.
Do my best, sir. Gather round, villagers. I bring horrid news. The hollowed roots of Nak are gone. They've been stolen by the evil Vernians.
No! Not the roots! No!
The king has all his men busy at Mount Vernon, and he needs a math hero. I have been selected to find him one. I will conduct a great test to find who is worthy. How did coconuts get to Europe?
It just appeared.
Are you suggesting that coconuts migrate?
Well, what's the answer then?
Wait. Maybe a bird carried it over, like a swallow.
African or European?
Well, the European bird is too small, and African birds are non-migratory. So, perhaps, just hear me out, 2 European swallows carried it over, together.
Well, close enough. Come with me. Your quest must begin immediately. Off to the square root forest to find the Book of Nak.
Whoa! Patsy, this looks dangerous. You stay behind that tree. I'll call you if I need anything, and take the noble steed.
Who are you and what do you seek?
I am Luke, and I am in search of the great roots of Nakagaki. My journey has led me to you. Who art thou?
We are the knights who say knock. Knock. We are the keepers of the great book of Nak, and the words ni, ping, and icky, patang, zoom, boing.
I see your great knights of Nak, but I need to see that great book.
We demand sacrifice.
And if I refuse?
Knock! 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 Knock!
No! No more! What must I do?
First you must find a shrubbery, a nice one, not too expensive, and then find the answer to 0 equals x squared minus 10x plus 34.
O great knights who say knock, I do not have a shrubbery, for I am not a shrubber. Shrubbery is not my trade. However, I do have a lovely duck. And as for the problem, Patsy, I need that duck and a piece of paper. O great knight who says knock, here is your duck.
A duck will be acceptable.
Now as for the problem.
I am the great and powerful Nak.
The almighty Nak has appeared to me.
Use the formula.
But what formula?
The quadratic formula. X equals the opposite of b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
But great and powerful Nak, I am unable to take the square root of a negative number. Such a thing does not exist.
The square root of -1 is I. Nak has spoken.
So if x is equal to negative b, negative negative 10 is equal to positive 10. So it'll be 10 plus minus the square root of negative 36 all over 2. Simplify that down and you get 5 plus or minus 3i.
No, don't say that.
Say what?
The word that which you have said should not be repeated.
But all I said was 3i.
No!
3i. 3i. 3i.
Stop it! Take the book with you!
Come, Patsy!
After a closer inspection of the quadratic formula in the book, Luke had figured out that the roots are all over 2a. 2a is a small village in Nakagaki.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Hello?
I seek the hallowed roots of Nak, and the great book has led me here. Would you care to assist me on my journey to find them?
No, it's okay. We already have them.
You already have them?
I told them we already had them. Oh yes, they're very nice.
Well, can I see them?
Of course not. You reveled the great Naka. We are Vernians.
Vernians?
Yes, why else would I have this outrageous accent? We hate you and your fancy-pancy ways. Your mother was a hamster, and your father smelled of elderberries. I fart in your general direction.
That's it! I've defeated the evil Vernians. Now for those roots. I'll just plug it into the equation. Now negative b is negative 2, so that would make it positive 2. Plus minus the square root of b squared, so negative 2 squared, that's 4. Minus 4 times ac, so that's 4 times 1 times negative 2. So it's 4 minus negative 8. So 2 plus minus the square root of 12 all over 2a, which is just 2 since a is 1. And I know the square root of 12 breaks down to 2 root 3. So all over 2, it equals 1 plus minus the square root of 3. My king, I have found the great hallowed roots of Nak.
You have? Brave, sir! I dub thee a knight at the round table. Would you like to move to the great city of Spamalot?
I do not want to go to Spamalot. 'Tis a silly place.
Well, very true. How did you find the roots, by the way?
Well, it's quite simple. You just use a quadratic formula. You know, x is equal to negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.
That's it?
That's it.
That's simple.
That's simple.
Sir, we have a new problem. The Vernians have attacked, and they have turned me into a newt.
A newt?
What?
Well, I got better.